What's up, you guys? Welcome back. You guys, in the last lesson, we spoke about pretty much journaling out your present state and your desired states, right? Your point A and your point B. Where are you right now? And where do you want to go? All right. And we also identified one of the biggest problems around erectile dysfunction that we need to avoid. And that was desensitization. All right. In the three types. But before we go deeper into what we need to avoid, a lot of the guys that I've coached one-on-one, they've asked for something that they could actually start doing tonight that would help them be more active in the process. And so you guys are probably asking, what can we do to improve our sensitivity? If desensitization is the enemy, how do we improve sensitivity? Eliminating fantasy from our lives, it's so crucial, you guys. But it's almost like too passive, right? Like just removing fantasy, that's it. If it was that easy, this wouldn't be such a big issue. But what can we actually do, right? Actively to start fighting RED? I want to introduce you guys to the activity that changed my life. It's called the root focus activity. All right, the root focus is one of the most powerful techniques that I can show you. Okay, with all this stimulation happening from fantasy, it's literally rewiring our neural pathways of our brains to crave stimulation from anything else except the real present moment sensations that are going on in your body at this very moment. So let's say that you see a beautiful woman, and she might even get naked in your bed, but you're not excited or stimulated enough to get hard. Okay? Or perhaps you might need excessive amounts of physical stimulation to get hard, which presents a whole nother issue with premature ejaculation and not lasting long enough to actually enjoy the experience. The root focus tells your brain that you want to feel more down there and that you want more sensation. And so your brain obliges by recruiting additional brain cells and sends them down here, and it starts to allow you to feel more, okay? This process eventually increases your sensation and it builds better erections. All right, and as a huge bonus, the root focus ties up the conscious thinking part of the brain that tends to interfere by overthinking. So as you get better at this practice, not only will it help you to feel more sensation, but reversing the effects of desensitization will also allow you to be more present and enjoy yourself more. Because you're not going to be in your head asking yourself a million questions like, am I hard enough or am I going to last long enough? All you have to do is focus on your root and you'll be present, and you're going to have a much better time for yourself and your partner. So you guys, the root focus is an exercise that allows us to reconnect with our lingam. And our lingam is just another word for our genitals. But let me draw you a picture of this process. I know you guys already know what it looks like, but I just want to help you visualize what it is I'm talking about. Okay, so we have this guy here. Okay, so this is a man, and as you can see here, he has a penis. He's circumcised. And basically the root of the penis goes inside your body, just as far as your penis goes outside your body. And so what I do is I focus on an area that is below my belly button and right where my penis touches my body, right where that intersection connects. That's where I place my attention, kind of right here. Okay, but you could also, it's basically anywhere in this entire region, okay? So it could be your perineum, right behind the testicles before the anus. It could be, anywhere in this general area, but this whole area, all right? The reason why I'm kind of being vague about it is because there's not one point that's the magic point. The whole area is considered your lingam area or the root focus. Well, the lingam's more the genitalia, but it is the whole area, okay? And so, how do we do the root focus, right? What do we have to do it? I know it sounds funny because our masculine brains want to do something to fix our problems. But this is still a very gentle and relaxed activity. All right, so I recommend you guys add this to your daily routine. All right, I choose to do mine just before bed. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a piss, and I go do the root focus. All right, I put a chair next to my bed so that once I'm done, I can slip into bed in that super relaxed state that you're gonna come to love. And I get some of the best sleep of my life. And you guys, I still do the root focus today, and I still get great sleep. All right, they come together. And so I've made a recording for you guys in the members area. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit in a chair, you're gonna take a few deep breaths, and you're gonna start to relax, all right? You want your entire body to be relaxed, including your groin, all right? Men carry so much tension in our groin, so much emotional baggage. You know, it's no wonder we're struggling with ED. Thinking about going to bed with another girl, knowing that we can't perform, that's like torture. It's like we're trying to do the same activities and get different results. It's stressful. It's like we're bashing our heads against the wall. And so as we learn to go deeper and deeper into relaxation, we start to place our awareness over our root, you know, over our groin. This picture right here, this whole thing, just that whole area, you start to learn how to relax that, all right? It's powerful and subtle, okay? Your awareness, it's simply your attention. Like if I told you right now to close your eyes, all right, sit back in your chair, take a deep breath, let it go. Take another deep breath, let it go. Now continue breathing slowly and deeply and relaxed. Now, without using a mirror, keeping your eyes closed, without using your hands, I want you to place your awareness on your forehead. All right, maybe your third eye, if that sounds better. Your forehead area. Don't touch it. Don't do anything except for using your awareness. You can feel some sort of sensation up there. Okay? Like you just know there's an area above your eyes and beneath the beginning of your hairline that you have space on your head. Okay? The more you put your attention there, the more blood flow you're sending there. Okay? That's all it is. It's blood flow. So keeping your awareness there above your eyes, feel the subtleties of that blood flow, the movement of your forehead. Good. Now feel that same sensation start to ooze down your forehead into your face, and put your awareness on your nose. Can you feel the shape of your nose? You can sense that your nose doesn't go all the way to the wall in front of you, right? You have an ending shape, a figure of your nose. Do you see how you can put your conscious awareness on different places of your body? And you can feel that sensation in the form of blood flow running through them. Okay, I want you to stay right here. Stay with this awareness on your nose. Okay, because now I want you to, hopefully your hands are on your lap, and I want you to bring that awareness from your forehead and your nose, and I want you to place your awareness on your thumbs. Or maybe just one thumb, whatever's easier. You can feel the outline of your thumbs, right? You can feel that there's a shape to them. You don't even have to move them or wiggle them. You can sense that you have thumbs. Now I want you to bring your awareness to your pointer fingers and your thumbs. So now you have both those feelings. Give it a second, let it kind of ooze over there. Can you feel the shape of your finger now? Can you feel the space between your thumb and your finger? Right? Can you feel that outline? And can you feel the buzz? That's blood flow. All right, move in your middle fingers now. Bring into that thumb, point your middle finger. And when you start to have that, bring in all 5 fingers at the same time. All right, stay right here. You're practicing putting your awareness on different parts of your body. Okay, now keeping your attention on your fingers, I wanted to explain something to you. The root focus itself is a practice of relaxing your groin, right? Your pelvic floor, your Kegel muscles, if you will, the PC muscles, whatever you use when you wake up in the morning and you gotta pee like a racehorse, but you are able to clench that muscle to keep the pee from coming out, right? That's called a Kegel squeeze or contracting the pelvic floor, all right? That's the reverse of what we want to do. But for the sake of finding the root, I want you guys to maintain your awareness on your fingers. Keep that up right now. But I want you to contract your pelvic floor right now. Give it a squeeze and hold it. Whatever that looks like to you. When you squeeze, when you're holding back your bladder, squeeze, 2, 1, and release. Feel that relaxation. Let it go. Feel that relaxation. Keeping your attention in your fingers, squeeze your pelvic floor again. Squeeze and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. And focus on that relaxation. Feel how relaxed you just made that area go. All right, one more time. Awareness is still in our fingers. Clench and hold your Kegel muscles, squeeze and hold it. Now this time, when I tell you to let it go, keep holding, keep squeezing. When I tell you to let it go, I want you to move all of your awareness from your fingers into the relaxation of that pelvic floor. So you're just shifting your awareness from one body part to another. In 5, 4, squeeze, 3, 2, 1. Release and focus your energy, your awareness into the relaxation of those muscles. Just feel how soft you can make them. We're still breathing. You guys, holding your awareness right here is the name of the game. All right, like I said, I created a meditation for you guys to listen to this on your own, and I'll get you into this relaxed state where you can find your root even easier. Okay, but that's it. You're putting your awareness here. Maintaining this practice for as little as 5 minutes a day is going to pay huge dividends. But as we progress and you get more comfortable with this, you're going to find out it's one of those areas in life that you cannot get enough of it. All right, it's so beneficial in so many different levels. I do this when I'm driving my car, when I'm eating, when I'm at work. Right now, as I'm recording this, I'm focusing on my root because it's grounding me and it's making me more present. All right, this is a power tool that you're going to learn to develop. And anytime you need to be at your best, it'll be here for you. You know, you got a tough talk with the boss or with some family members, do the root focus. Anytime you're out on a date with a girl, do the root focus. And yes, you guys, when you get a girl into bed, do the root focus. It'll keep you calmer than wondering if you're going to get hard this time. And the process of building your sensation over time is going to be one of the best things that I can teach you about building strong, long-lasting erections. We're going to come back to the root focus time and time again because it's that important. But for now, just know that it's something that I'm going to ask you to do daily. All right? It's not as powerful if you do it one time for 2 hours, but then you skip 6 days. All right, 10 minutes each day will pay dividends, but the more, the better. All right, and I like to use binaural beats when I create my meditations, and so that's what I've done in the one provided. I want to make sure that you get into the deepest state possible, because in the future, we're going to be making shifts in our subconscious minds while we're doing the root focus, and we're going to start making massive changes in our worlds and what kinds of results that we're getting in life. So you guys, I'm so looking forward to sharing those with you. I just want to tell you guys, thanks again for believing in yourself. Make sure you watch this module again, over the next week, and that you're becoming aware of the content that you're letting your eyes see. All right? Start doing the root focus every day. And you guys, thanks again. I'll talk with you in the next video. Much love.